Point of view IGA 2026 Sankey Flow, Finance and Inventory Governance. 1. End-to-end visibility of data flow. From an auditor's perspective, the Sankey Flow clearly establishes traceability from source to decision. The journey from ERP/JSON data to final cockpit output ensures that every decision can be traced back to its origin, eliminating ambiguity and improving audit confidence. 2. Data integrity at source level. The presence of ERP/JSON data as the starting node indicates structured and system-generated inputs. An auditor evaluates whether this data is complete, accurate, and tamper-proof, as all downstream governance depends on the reliability of this initial input. 3. PostgreSQL as controlled storage layer. The use of PostgreSQL reflects a centralized and structured data repository. From an audit standpoint, this ensures controlled access, data consistency, historical record preservation. This layer is critical for ensuring that no data manipulation occurs without trace. 4. Fast API backend controlled processing layer. The backend acts as the integration and validation engine. Auditors assess whether data transformations are consistent, business logic is correctly applied, API interactions are secure and logged. This layer ensures that raw data is converted into decision-ready intelligence. 5. KPI, TSI, OSI engines metric governance. These engines represent the core evaluation framework. KPI rightward arrow performance validation. TSI rightward arrow risk and support assessment. OSI rightward arrow outcome success probability. Auditors rely on these metrics to ensure that decisions are not arbitrary but quantitatively justified. 6. Policy engine compliance authority. The policy engine defines what is acceptable within the system. From an audit viewpoint, policies must align with regulatory standards, RBI, IFRS, ISO, etc. Rules must be consistent and centrally managed. No decision should bypass policy validation. This ensures standardized governance across all operations. 7. Analyzer 1.0 Decision Control Point. Analyzer 1.0 is the critical audit checkpoint where all metrics and policies converge. It determines whether a decision is allow, condition, hold, block. Auditors consider this the point of control, ensuring that decisions are context-aware and policy-compliant before execution. 8. Decision outcomes controlled execution paths. The branching into allow, condition, hold, and block reflects risk-based decision governance. Allow rightward arrow fully compliant. Condition rightward arrow requires monitoring. Hold rightward arrow needs reassessment. Block rightward arrow high risk or non-compliant. This structured classification ensures clear decision accountability. 9. Assure layer evidence and audit readiness. The final flow into the decisions table and NeuroGov Plus cockpit ensures complete logging of decisions, availability of audit trails, storage of supporting evidence. For auditors, this is the most critical layer, as it provides proof of governance and compliance. Receipt summary. The Sankey flow demonstrates a fully governed decision architecture, where data flows through structured layers of validation, policy enforcement, and decision control before reaching execution. Every step is traceable, measurable, and auditable, ensuring that enterprise decisions are not only intelligent but also compliant and accountable. High voltage power summary. Data flows through systems. Intelligence is generated by AI. Governance is enforced by Analyzer 1.0. And every decision is secured in Assure for audit and trust. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. Auditor's Point of View IGA 2026